Hello, Professor. My name is Manish Chand and my student ID is mchand8. So on the lab 15, which is basically configuring trust, I'll be showing you what I did through all of the exercises given below. So before starting the exercises, the VM that I used were WDC 109 and the storage 001 and 1009. Yeah. So I'll start with exercise 15.1. So exercise 15.1 was basically creating a one-way external trust. In this exercise, I created an one-way external trust between the my Scenic ID that is mchand8.com and the editor.com domain. So I'll start with the showing the conditional forwarder that I created in the RWDC 109. So for that, I'll go back to my snapshot, which is 15.1. It's restoring. So for that, I'll go to the my server manager. On server manager, I'll go to tools. On tools, I'll go to DNS. As you can see on RWDC 109, I created a new conditional forwarder, which is the IP address of mine. So 109 is the IP of mine. So this is the conditional forwarder on new conditional forwarder, which is editum.com on RWDC 109. And for the storage, also from the storage 109 now, I'll go to the 15.1. On RWDC 109, it was asked to put the IP51 at the end, and on storage BM, I'll go to the DNS. As you can see, this is my conditional forwarder on storage, and the conditional forwarder IP should be 50 at the end. Now I'll be showing you uh, the one-way external trust between my Seneca ID and the editum.com domain. So for that, I'll go to RWDC. On RWDC, I'll go to Active Directory Domain and Trust. Here, as you can see, editum.com has outgoing trust and the trust type is external. And so I'll check on my storage VM now. For that, I'll go to Tools on DNS. No, sorry for that. We'll go to Active Directory Domain and Trust on editum.com properties and trust. As you can see, the incoming trust is this is my amchand8.com, which is the Seneca domain, senecaid.com DNS domain, which is my main domain, and the trust type is external. So this concludes that uh, there is an external trust between the Seneca ID, which is amchand8.com, and the editum.com domains from the RWDC VM. So this is for the exercise 15.1, and now we'll move to exercise 15.2, which is a creating a two-way forest trust. So for the part one, exercise 15.1, it was external trust. Now we'll be creating two-way forest trust. For that, I'll go back to my snapshot, which is 15.2, and for the same storage 01, I'll go on to my snapshot 15.2. It will take some time. Yeah, so for that, and on this exercise, I was asked to delete the trust that I created in the last exercise and create a two-way forest trust between my main Seneca ID and the editum.com. And for that, uh, I'll go to DNS. From tools, I'll go to DNS. Oh, sorry. I'll go to Active Directory Domain Trust. I'll just right click on the properties, and as you can see, there is a two-way trust, which is outgoing and incoming trust between editorm.com on and my PM domain. So I'll show you this on my storage one too. Tools, Active Directory users domain address. So as you can see, this is my Seneca domain, and you can see there is a two-way forest trust between the my mchand8.com and editorm.com. So this basically concludes exercise 15.2. And for the final part, so it's a validating and testing the trust. So in this exercise, what we did was that the trust that we created in 15.2 will be accessing a share folder from RWDC on to another domain on storage domain. So for that, I'll go to my VM, manage snapshot 15.3, and for the same for this one too, snapshot 15.3. So yeah. So basically what we did is this: on our local disk C, on RWDC PM, we created a folder named data. On the data on the data, we created a test file. So and the data has a permissions on. If we go to properties and on we go to security, as you can see, Editum has all of the permissions, and now we will be accessing this file from the another domain. So I will go to my storage one, and if I type, I have to type, yeah, if I type rwdc 109 data, yeah, as you can see, I can uh access the file, which is basically due to the trust, the two-way trust that we created. I can access the test file from the my editorm.com from on another one. So yeah, this basically concludes that uh, the lab is completed. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you, Professor.